on the other side of the interstate.
For any new student. That's right, 50% for any new student that enrolls in Academy.
Parking lot.
The future you starts at JV.
You know Lori Klein from Afternoons with Lori here on 90.3 The Fish. She also has a video devotional series called The Lori Klein Show from LifeWord. Each one is less than 5 minutes and will bring a ray of hope to your day. New episodes drop every Tuesday and Thursday. You can see them now at thefishlittlerock.com.
Donate for discounts. Magic Springs will be collecting the gift of food donations for Project Hope Food Bank's backpack program, which provides nutritional food items to students across 5 counties in Arkansas. Things like packets of oatmeal, fruit cups, veggie cups, nutritional bars, and more. Guests who give the gift of food donation will get admission for just $29.99. That's savings of up to $30 off front gate admission. Offer valid Sunday through Friday, July 21st through August 9th.
If you're a business owner and a listener to 93.3 The Fish, you might not realize that the encouraging and uplifting content you hear on 93.3 The Fish is advertiser supported. Our loyal audience loves to do business with those advertisers who make this programming possible. Now, it won't surprise you to learn that some advertisers support 93.3 The Fish. That's their loss because our listeners support our Christian music programming.
I'm taking you off right now. Which way are you rolling?
You
letting me get out of the way?
Yeah, sit down.
Where am I car stations? The place I say my phone was like 6:30.
TheFishLittleRock.com. That's TheFishLittleRock.com. And remember,
I don't know if you know the corner of the building, and then it started going eastbound. So if you stayed northbound, they're good if they don't know.
They do.
93.3 The Fish is welcoming one of the biggest concerts.
Hey, passengers!
Hey, that's over.
Passengers, put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I understand you can't get out. I only see one. I can't see any in the back. She's saying she can't get out. I can see both of her hands. She's saying there's no one else. On the center console.
CFS type change pursued. Unit 812 joint call. Unit A17 call.
Adam 15, if you get to the P right now, he's a 63 red, 211 vehicle.
What's your name, partner? What's your name?
Kenyon Hobbs.
What do you go by? What do you go by?
Ken.
Okay, so here, don't play games with me, bro. How many people were in this car? Because there's nobody else that was in the back seat, so I know you were driving.
I wasn't driving. I was a passenger. I got the back seat. I was a passenger. I got the back seat.
Go ahead.